All right, everybody, just gonna do a little video of my 2005 KX125. It's kind of like the Mike Brown look-alike, so I'm just gonna go through it here. I got some PC to triple clamps on it. The 2016 Showa forks. PC exhaust. The PC linkage, PC foot pegs, PC shift lever. Got the V-Force reeds in it, the Electron carb, and of course the Renthal sprocket, chain and sprocket. And of course I got the full PC exhaust, front to back. So I'll go ahead and get on this thing, get it kick started, and let it run for you guys for a little bit, see how it goes. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that. Let's go ahead, if you got any comments, questions about this bike, parts, all that cool stuff, just go ahead and hit me up in the comments. Like, if you guys want to, hey, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to post some other stuff. I got some bikes and stuff, and I'm going to get one on this Kawasaki 450 here in a little bit, and I'll throw that up on here as well. So, hey, thanks for watching.